Hi everyone, welcome back to bitfix. In this video I am going to show you how to appeal for the long questions you attempted in the second stage. So here you can see all the information is written. In the case of disagreement with the result of assessment of the test task, you have right to submit an appeal till December 24. So the deadline for appeal is 24th of December. And here you can see the appeal is only filled for the task with the detailed answer, like the long questions 41, 42, and 43 numbers. These three questions were the long questions, so the appeal is only for them. If you have attempted the long questions, then you are eligible for appeal, and you can see on your personal account the appeal section will be available. And if you have missed the long questions, of course, you will not see any appeal options. And now, here, based on the result of the appeal consideration, the points initially awarded may be left. This is the most important thing. May be left unchanged, increased, or decreased. Check your questions very carefully because last year and of course this year they have clearly written that maybe your scores will be decreased or maybe you will be scored 0 if you have like 5. You have got 5 marks in the long questions, and after you appeal maybe you will get 0, maybe you get 8, 10. So it depends. So I recommend you to recheck your answers very carefully. Check on the internet, give the answer to the AI to check for it, or do it by yourself, but very carefully. If you are very satisfied, 100% sure about your answers, then you should appeal for that question. Okay. And appeal is not possible in case your work has been annulled. Of course, if your personal account is showing annulled, then you are not eligible for appeal. And the result of appeal will be published on 30 December, like the date when the winners and the runners up will be announced. So here you can see if I go with this subject, applied mathematics and artificial intelligence. Here you can see the two questions are attempted and the appeal option is shown here. And if you have missed the one, like I have, this student have missed the 43 number. Here on my screen there is missing 43 number is missing. Of course this is missed. So the questions you have attempted, here you can see those questions. So if I click on make a appeal, here of course I'm not going to do this because these questions got 10 out of 10, and if I click on this one, this question got 8 point of 10. And if I am 100% sure that my answers I uploaded here, for example, are 100% correct, then I will write here my whole answer and my argument why I got 8 points, or maybe I deserve the 10 points. All the things you need to explain here in a very like, you can write the line and then press enter, and then like in a very good way, don't mess up everything. Write the formula, make a different heading in this way, like it will be easy for them to read and to check whether you deserve or your answer is correct or not. So this is the way to make an appeal, and that's all. I will make the next videos on winners and runners up. Yeah, there is a time in this, like a week, in the announcement of winners and runners up. So see you soon there on 30 December. And if you have any problem, any issue, you can contact me on Instagram, or you can comment down here, write your problem. And also please write your score, your subject in the comments, so maybe we can estimate the merit for this year, what is a average score for all the students. So please write down your scores and your subject down in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.